Hello friends, welcome everyone. Welcome to Let's Learn, and today we will discuss about the major source of energy, that is the sun. Today we will discuss about the sun. Before we proceed, I just want to show you one video clip. Have a look on this clip. So here you can see the sunrise and the sun is rising. Here you can see in this clip, and in this clip also here you can see the sunset. So now the sun is the major source of energy of the solar system. We know it very well. And all the planets, all the 8 planets, they are rotating around the sun. Now one question comes in your mind, most probably I think, that is why all the planets they are rotating around the sun. Actually, in our previous video, we have already discussed that the first 4 planets which are very close to the sun, they are known as inner planets, and the remaining 4 planets which are far away from the sun, they are known as the outer planets. The inner planets are also known as terrestrial planet, and the outer planets they are known as Jovian planets. The inner planets, the inner first 4 planets, they are much more smaller in comparison to the outer planets. So the first 4 planets they are very much small, and the remaining 4 planets which are far away from the sun, they are quite large in comparison to the inner planets. So the smaller planets, their gravitational force is low. That's why they can't hold anything easily. And the outer planets, their gravitational force is large gravitational force because of their size. So the gravitational force somehow depends on the size of the planets of the stars. And as the sun accounts for more than 99% of the mass of the total solar system. Try to understand. The sun accounts for more than 99% of the mass of the total solar system. Only the sun. That's why its gravitational force is also extreme, and that's why the sun exerts immense gravitational pull to keep all the planets rotating around the sun in a definite elliptical orbit. That's why all the planets are rotating around the sun, because the sun exerts immense gravitational force, because it is huge, it is too much big. That's why its gravitational force is also large. Now the sun is the major source of energy. And from where does this energy come? The energy is provided by the nuclear fusion reaction. That converts hydrogen into helium in the core of the sun. Now have a look on this picture, that this is the interior design of the sun. The glowing surface of the sun that we see is called photosphere. The glowing surface of the sun that we can see easily, that is called photosphere. And above the photosphere is the red colored chromosphere, that is known as chromosphere. And what is there in the core of the sun? Hydrogen and helium are the main gases present in the sun, that is present in the core of the sun. And the surface temperature of the sun is 6000 degrees Celsius. Can you imagine that? So the surface temperature of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. Can you imagine that? 6000 degrees Celsius. Now some more important points which you should know is that solar winds. What is that? The sun is actually continuously emitting streams of photon in all directions. They are known as solar winds. The sun is actually continuously emitting streams of photon in all directions. They are known as solar winds. And some more important points, place and sunspots. What is that? The surface of the sun is continuously changing. Actually, the surface of the sun is continuously changing. There are some bright spots on the surface of the sun. They are known as plates. The bright spot is known as flakes, and the dark spot, here you can see in the picture, the dark spots are known as sunspots. These are some of the information regarding the major source of energy, that is the sun. So thanks everyone, thanks for watching.